There's only about 150 companies reporting this week as we're at the end of earnings season. But there's some big technology stars mixed in there that you might not be paying attention about. Let's find out what those are and take a look at a few retailers that otherwise have some interesting charts. Let's jump right in. First one out is one of the retailers, Lowe's. So you can see a lot of red on this screen. What's that about? Looks like they're just barely missing there, but nobody's cared as they push these shares finally out of that narrow range they traded in for a couple years. Can a better report here really propel these shares? Its competitor Home Depot, that chart looks amazing, so we will see. Then moving on to another retailer that has a great track record. It hasn't missed in over 5 years, so you gotta like that because there's been some rocky road in there. But these shares are now near or at all 5-year lows here, and that's because of a decline in same-store sales and some rockiness with Victoria's Secret now. Is the Victoria's Secret, is that brand, does it need a big makeover? Will they be doing one, or are they just going to keep going as is? We're going to find out. Then is the big technology stock I was teasing about, Alibaba. It hasn't reported yet. But of course, it's on the retail side too, just on the marketplace side. But it's beat 3 out of the last 4. Shares look pretty choppy here. They pulled back a bit based on the tariff trade issues, even though that probably has not much to do with them. But I'll be interested to know what's going on if they tell us in other countries, with Alipay especially, that's big in places like India and Southeast Asia. And where else do they find in the growth? That's what I'm going to be watching. Then another tech company that has a great track record as well, Autodesk. Doesn't get much glory, but it hasn't missed since our data began there in 2015. These shares also busting out to new highs here in 2018. Can another big beat like they had last quarter push these to new highs? We'll see. And then another technology company, one you probably aren't paying much attention to, HP Inc. Now this is one of the ones that was spun off when Hewlett-Packard broke up into 2. This is the ticker HPQ1, and as you can see, it just had a 1 miss, it looks like, right when the spin-off happened. That's that big decline there in 2015, and then it's been beaten pretty consistently, meet or beat, every quarter since then, and these shares just kind of grinding higher. Now this HP is the desktop computer, the laptops, and the printer side. This is a side everybody was supposed to not like at all. But as you can see, you haven't done too badly since the spin-off. This will be an interesting one to see how things are going on the hardware side. So there's still stuff going on this week. You don't want to miss earnings season because we've got it all covered for you here at Zacks. Be sure to tune in to all of our earnings articles and our videos all throughout earnings season. We're going to go another week here because we got a few more key retailers still to go, with these videos at least. So be sure to tune in. You can find us on Zacks.com, as I said, and also on YouTube. Don't miss a single earnings video.